Hi guys, in this video we will see how to enable device code authorization for Codex in ChatGPT. Very simple. Launch ChatGPT and here click on your profile icon located at the bottom left corner and here choose settings. From the left side of settings, here you will find security. Click on it. Thereafter go to right side and here scroll down and you will find the option Enable Device Code Authorization for Codecs. Use device code sign in for headless or remove in environments where the normal browser flow is not available. So turn the toggle button on to enable this feature, and if you want to disable device code authorization for codecs, then simply turn the toggle button off, through which you can easily enable or disable this feature. That's all.